I am telling about 2 lessons of my life. My first lesson is, one day my father gave me 200 rupees and gave me some papers and told me to get photocopies of these papers and also get petrol in the bike. I got the photocopy done, but forgot to put petrol in the bike, due to which the bike stopped on the way. I reached home on foot. Papa scolded me a lot. I left my food in anger and went to the park. My mother, my friend Nasi to the park to call me. Nasi came to me and told me, Rahul, let's go, your food is ready. I said in anger, neither I want to go home nor have food. Nasir said, first listen to me carefully and then decide whether you want to go home or not. What do you think? All the people this would live the same life? There are many people in the world, neither who have a house to live in and nor have food to eat. Look at the beggars who beg on the footpath and waiting to see when we will get alms and when we fill our stomachs. All other children happily go to school, but just they are struggling to survive. What could be their fault? We are very lucky, we have our own house, we have our parents. If we get food all 3 times, then respect them. Someone will appreciate your love, but only your own people will appreciate your anger. We never leave food and home in anger, no matter what happened. He told me again to go home. I said, let's go. My second lesson is, once there was an English speech competition in our school on Republic Day. At that time, I was in 7th class. In that competition, the teachers of other school came to see our competition. In this competition, and along with the students, I also participated. All the students started giving their speech one by one. After giving the speech of all the students, finally my number came. I went on stage. I started getting very nervous as soon as I went on stage. I could hardly speak 7 to 8 lines and I forgot my speech. I stood silently on the stage for a long time. Then the head of another school said, I am sure you can speak. Tell, you will speak wrong. I started giving speech again. I made mistakes in few lines, but I completed my speech. After the competition was over, that sir called me to him and said, you must be thinking that I could not win. Always remember my one thing, that every effort made with a sincere heart is more than any defeat victory. And every step taken in the right direction is a destination in itself. A person who is defeated in the field can win again, but a person who is lost in the heart can never win. That is, we should never lose heart. Thank you.